Han, okay ka lang, bebe? Han. Wow, baby girl. Look at the mountains. Look at the dinosaur. Han, wanna unbox this for me? Let's go. And help daddy. Come on. It's $289. It has 2 batteries and a monopod and a case. Comes in it. It has the Gopro. Nope, that's not for this camera. Alright. That's 1 battery. National Park. I can't what you're doing right now, Hannah, but I heard that you're picking your nose. Alright, we gotta stop over at Barstow. It's like about 13 miles away from now. Almost there. We're driving 160 miles already for like 3 hours because of the traffic. Ay, dala ako konting gloves. Kailangan mo ngayon, eh? So we can't decide what to eat right now. So we're gonna eat somewhere that's really different. Something that we haven't tasted before. And we found this place right here at Barstow. It's called In-N-Out. Alright, what do you want from In-N-Out, Joy?
I'll get a hamburger.
Hamburger? Well, don't ask me.
Ask
Hannah. Hannah, after Joy wants some hamburger. Is that okay? Yes? Okay.
Yay!
Bang. What do you want from In-N-Out?
Hamburger.
Are you talking to me or to Hannah?
To Hannah.
Because you gotta have to talk to Hannah for that. Anikyo. Yeah. What do you want from In-N-Out?
Hannah says I don't have the right.
No, Daddy said you don't have the right. But from Hannah, you gotta ask Hannah. What do you want, Hannah? What do you want, Casey?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger! Kuya said cheeseburger. Hannah said, of course, Kuya. Anything you want. You want some shake?
Oh my god.
No.
No.
Fine.
Oh no. It's a... Casey don't want shake. It's a miracle. Alright. How about you, baby girl? What do you want from In-N-Out? Huh?
Except I'll get a combo.
Combo. Okay. Alright, everybody's gonna get a combo.
I'll get Mickey. Give a hug. I'll get Mickey. Hug. Come on. Okay, kiss. Kiss Mickey. Kiss it out. Kiss. Come on. Okay, throw it. Throw. Who's gonna pick it up?
We have to do a last stopover. Hopefully this is gonna be the last one, but I don't think so.
What you looking at, man?
I am Zoltar, the Great Gypsy, and I can see your fortune. come see it too, no? Your fortune is mine for the telling, and yours for the hearing. Come, let Zoltar tell you more. Your fortune is mine for the telling, and yours for the hearing. Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
We're at the Prim. I don't know if the malls are open or closed.
Malls are closed.
Oh, look, they're open, okay? Oh, there's nobody in here. The mall is now closed. Please come visit us again. Quack, quack.
Just out there and watch the sunset. You think you're something special. Boy, you're blue. This conversation's over.
Alright, we just got here, Utah. It's a 10-hour drive. This is our hotel. It's called the Red Lion Conference Hotel. It's a suite. We already unpacked, so that's all our stuff. Whee! It's pretty big. It has 2 bathrooms. Maybe it has 2 bathrooms, baby. Has a table, has 2 bed. There's another bathroom in here. Wow, that's a nice bathtub. Wow, baby girl, you like it, baby girl? You have space to walk around, You have a space to walk around, baby girl. Pretty big. What do you think, Beth? We good? Alright. See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna wake up pretty early. That way we can go to Zion National Park. We gotta be there early, or else we're gonna run out of parking space. Check you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hein, say good night. Good night. Good night.
I can't